I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting two things: a reliable Hijri date widget app and a lock screen app that supports custom widgets. Once installed, open each app and grant overlay, notifications, and battery optimization exclusions so the widget stays visible. Make the lock screen app the default lock handler in system settings so Android routes the lock UI to it. This avoids conflicts. Permissions ensure the clock updates and notifications appear. When done, move straight to placing the Hijri widget on the lock canvas. Open the lock screen app and enter its edit or widget placement mode. This is where you build the lock layout. Add the Hijri date widget and resize it to fit without overlapping the clock or camera shortcut. Tap the widget to open its configuration and select your preferred Hijri format, Arabic versus Latin numerals, and time zones so dates align with your locality. Make sure font contrast and placement are readable over wallpapers. Once configured, save the layout and lock your screen to preview the result. Finish by locking the phone and confirming the Hijri date shows and updates correctly. If the widget is blank or not updating, unlock, reopen both apps, and recheck overlay and notification permissions. Also ensure battery optimization is disabled so background updates run. If the widget still fails, try removing and re-adding it, reinstalling the Hijri app, or temporarily switching the default lock handler back and forth to reset system hooks. That single troubleshooting step, verify permissions and battery exclusion, fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.